Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Several months ago I did this beautiful arrangement and I called it, what did I call it? Oh, sorry about that. Rustic roses, berries and pods. And I said at the time that I would be back to share what I do with this arrangement throughout the fall and the winter at my place. When it's cold, what I do is I always reach for something bright like yellow. So I want to share how to bring in these chrysanthemums into this arrangement to change it up. And what I really love about this arrangement is it looks beautiful on its own and it graces the entrance to my home all through the fall and the winter. And sometimes when I am out and about and I see the flowers, I think to myself, oh, I'll just get those and I'll bring them home and I'll change this up. And that's what I want to do today. And I think that that's what's really lovely about working with the artificials and the fresh. You can change it up and take it to a whole new level. So I've got 3 chrysanthemums that were almost as expensive as a cabbage was, but that's okay. So we'll just cut all these to start. And I always take the foliage that's damaged, or the foliage as much as I can, off the chrysanthemums, because this stuff doesn't last very well, and it also makes things go off very quickly in amongst my other flowers. So I take those off, and look, it's just a matter of going into there like so. I've only got 3, so all I'm going to do is to take that one down and into there. And also I've used the green oasis, and the reason I do that is because I can just add a bit of moisture to it, and this will last for weeks and weeks and weeks. Just into there, look at that. The whole arrangement is taken on a completely different look just by bringing in those beautiful golden chrysanthemums. These will last in here, because I've taken that foliage off, this will last in here for probably 10 days, sometimes 2 weeks if I keep it a little bit misted. But how's that for easy designing for people that are very busy? I love it. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.